1,200x possible. Good luck. Breaks in the crazy time. Good luck to you guys. Good luck. Very bad spinner. Sure. I'm so bad. So bad, guys. So bad. Breaks in a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Oh. So bad spinner. Good luck, guys. Green, blue, or yellow, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, or yellow. Bada bing, bada boom. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Any, many, many, mo. What to pick? What to pick? Green or blue or yellow? Tag it. Ooh. You ready? Hopefully you are, because I mean we're definitely gonna see something good. I hope so. You're 9% big blue, and you know what? 600x is the highest multiplier. Good luck to you. So, give me some multis. Give me the triple. Give me the triple. Come on, give me the triple. Well, no triple, but double. Oh. 75x's for the blue and the yellow, but ladies and gentlemen, it's a double on the green. Hulk smash. Ladies and gentlemen, whoa, we were 1,200x possible. Good luck. Oh yeah. Come on, give me something good in the green one. Come on. Show me something good. Ooh. Come on. Boo! 300x, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. And
I haven't stopped chasing your losses. I'm too trying to quit it. Good idea. Final bets. But not chasing, you know. Gotta know when it's going south. Gotta catch it. Final bets. You are insane, my guy. Yeah, Dennis. You gotta be a little bit wacky to be on crazy time, I guess, right? Cash on 3x. It's been a long day today, though. I don't know, man. One of the weirdest days I've had this month yet. So far. I don't know, it's not over yet, though. So far, super wacky day. Give us that cash on. One time. Yes, let's go. Cash on 3x cash hunt. The second time I have a 3x cash hunt today. Fantastic news. Cool. Okay, guys. Rise up. Rise to your feet for the beautiful 3x cash hunt. 500x is the max. And we triple everything, so 1,500x potential. Shuffle these bad boys. Ooh. And as you know, as we spoke about 3 minutes ago, the best of the day is a 1,500x cash hunt. So we caught up to the best game of the day in this cash hunt. Okay, people, you gotta choose one. Yeah? Or auto pick if you want, but one symbol. Ooh, big money on the line. I see the Joker hats. One of those 3 Joker hats over there. I'll pick the third one. Third Joker's hat. Come on, where? Ah! I got 75x. Okay. We got 30 of that. What do you mean?
I'm not going to say it. You know that I love BMWs, okay? So, no. Hi, everybody. My name is Nate. I'm going to be your host for the next session. Come on! Audi. You said it's Audi. Okay, well, either way. 9 seconds of betting time. 10x on passion. Data, Neil. Hey, what's up? Wait, what? The mic. What's wrong with the microphone? I remember you, ma'am. You made me... Oh. It's meow time. Not Audi anymore. Meow. Oh, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, first spin cash on 10x from the top slot. Let's go! Come on! gonna give us? Right, well, you gave us 100x. Oh, 500x! There is 500x! That's right! 5,000! 5k right there! Look at that board! It's so beautiful. Let's shuffle them up. Oh my days! There's 5,000x, you guys. You get it. You better get it, okay? Thank you very much. Woo! Now that's a way to start a session. Either way, the carousel has now stopped. It is your time to choose out whichever symbol you want to aim for. Symbols multipliers are not related to each other. If you cannot pick in time, Autopic will do it for you. But find that 5,000, okay? Just find it. There we go. Okay, 26 of you got a 5,000x. 118 of you managed to find 750x. In total, 4,000.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.